Hey guys, this is a quick free recipe that you can actually make by going to Hobby Lobby and buying their whipped soap base. And I want to share it with you guys really quick because I went and picked some up and I've been using it and I actually like it. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and also turn on your notifications so you'll know when I'm going live or when I post my next video. Anyway, guys, let me tell you what you're going to need. You're going to need this soap base, y'all. Listen, it's very soft. It's very pretty. I like it. You're also going to need some sugar, okay? And you can use any kind of sugar you want. I just don't suggest you using like brown sugar because I think that brown sugar would be entirely too soft for this recipe, okay? So now you're going to do equal parts. You're going to do maybe if you want to do 4 ounces of sugar, 4 ounces of base, okay? So it's going to be equal. So if you want to do 8 ounces of base, 8 ounces of sugar. You also could add like 1 more ounce. So you could do 4 ounces of base and 5 ounces of sugar. And that will help it be a little bit thicker. Guys, this is the base that I actually used. I went when it was on sale. No, I don't think it was on sale, but normally sometimes they'll have that section on sale for 50% off. You could get it very cheap. And that's a nice amount of base to get started. So put your sugar in there and then go and get you a whisk, electric hand mixer, whatever you want to use. Guys, listen, I have a Patreon and all of my candle making recipes, skincare recipes is in there. It's linked in the description box. It's good for people who want to start businesses, who need help, who need good recipes, especially candle making recipes. You know, right now is not the time to be wasting money testing. Now it's time to get it right, okay? So you want to go ahead and turn on your hand mixer and you want to just go after those big old lumps and try to just smooth them out. My best advice for you when you are making something like this, you don't want to deflate it. So just try not to do too much whipping. For me, at some point, I normally just start folding in sugar if I have a lot of sugar to use. Now you want to add some mica powder. And also this is the part where you add your fragrance as well. Now, I do want to let you guys know you don't have to use a preservative because these base, they already come with a preservative. So you really don't have to worry about that. The only thing I really see people adding to the base is sometimes they'll add a little sunflower oil or a very light oil just to add some moisturizing properties to it, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and mix in my orange, and I did end up putting a little bit more orange inside of it because it came out so light. But I ain't gonna lie to you, I love this orange. It is so pretty. I got it from Mad Micas. Good place for a soap maker to shop if you want to purchase some very beautiful, vibrant colors. Now you want to go ahead and add it to your jar, and I made probably a little bit more than 8 ounces. The final texture is really beautiful. It's very soft. I actually like this whipped soap base. I find myself shopping local for a lot of things lately. I've been going there to get glitter and different things that I can find for my freshies. So I just seen this whipped soap and I was like, let's go ahead and try it out. So I really like it. I love it. It feels soft on the skin when you get in the shower. It holds your fragrance. I used a 3% fragrance load, and it actually turned out to be really nice. Anyway, guys, go ahead one time for me, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys again for the next video.